Okay, today I want to share how to convert a PDF file to Excel or editable. Okay, this is PDF file, and look this. You cannot edit this phone number or email address, education or something like that. Okay, so this is your PDF. You cannot edit this. So after you convert, you can edit. Let's begin how to convert a PDF file. Just a minute with Canva. So let's start the video. First we go to canva.com. Okay, canva.com. Then we go to design spotlight and PDF editor. Click on PDF editor and a free online PDF editor. Upload your PDF. Okay, select our PDF and look this opening in Canva. Okay, look this. This is your PDF file. Now this is editable. Looks marketing executive. You can edit or remove this. Okay, now you can edit and change your picture, contrast and something like that. So this is totally free from Canva. Thank you very much.